All right, folks, here we go. Time to roll. Thursday morning trade is upon us. We had a big day yesterday. For those of you folks who were tuned in, Federal Reserve had their policy announcement yesterday. Nothing groundbreaking, at least, no change to policy. However, in that press conference, like we talked about yesterday morning, Jerome Powell was able to move some markets with some comments around the Fed's got a lot of room to raise rates, and they're going to do so probably as soon as this next March meeting. Who knows what that cadence is going to be, but with him saying that they've got a lot of room to raise rates, we've seen forecasts anywhere from 3 rate hikes this year all the way up to 7. So we'll see what plays out for the remainder of the year. But what did the markets do in response to that? Markets were higher, turned on a dime, traded lower, finishing the day down on the day. So Dow Jones was down about 130, S&Ps were down 6. NASDAQ, however, the outlier, up just slightly. Now, what are we seeing this morning? Seeing a bit of a bounce back this morning. Markets across the board trading higher. Also, as you would expect, seeing that dollar trade higher against virtually everything with that press conference yesterday. Raising rates, we're going to see that dollar start to trend higher. That's exactly what we're seeing this morning. You jump over, let's look at the oil market. What do we got going on in crude? Just shy of $89 a barrel, up another 1%. Oil continues to be a big mover over the past couple of months. All right. So we had a big GDP report out yesterday too, showing the economy's growing at 6.9%, much stronger than 5.5% they were expecting. That could have an impact on today's market, giving a bit of a bump. So a lot going on, another big day. We've got more earnings out today. Let's get in there, trade some price action, get ready for that Friday trade tomorrow. We had a boot camp this week, educational boot camp. If you go to Nadex.com, you'll find those recordings in our education center. All right, folks, let's go. We'll see you tomorrow.